when sun done gone down. But this place nothing like done down. The intention not to paint the town brown. Silent class now we want shit. Anybody come come for here, they know the drill. Hey.
IzzyBeat, they play music like saying a Friday.
No mind now.
Every day a Friday to IzzyBeat.
Anyway, now welcome back on Top of the Night Show. Make we enter G's with Nizar. Nizar, welcome on Top of the Night Show. How do you do? You do too good.
Yeah. How market?
How market?
I do it half.
Have.
Yeah.
What do you make you come Nigeria?
Then drive you for your country?
Yes.
Hunger beat you there? Welcome make you come here?
Not really that the reason, but some of it.
Hunger join.
So hunger.
Now you're talking to give me a hand. Nah, I like this guy.
No, I do very honest somebody.
Very honest somebody.
So Nigerian woman bring you come. Oh.
What thing carry you come Nigeria?
The women's.
Apart from the hunger, what thing make you come Nigeria?
No, just I want to come out from Lebanon. I want to see another country.
What do you do? Talk
So I have some friends have contact with the MD of M Plaza. So I discuss with him and I come to work with him as a contract and go back. So he asked me to stay and also I like this place. So
why you like her? What's different from here than your country?
It's many different.
Okay, what's the difference?
Amala.
Like here the people is different than Lebanon.
You
know, like if you take somebody friend, his friend, real friend, and when you have problem, after the problem settled, his heart is clean. So in our place, like sometime maybe you will not talk with your neighbor for 5 years or 6 years. Yeah, really.
So you think that inside there nobody can know?
Yes.
Hey!
So I learn something from here, and I bring something with me, and I teach to the people beside me. So
you bring.
as idea is like you can take and give.
Okay.
Che.
You don't marriage?
Yes.
How many children you get?
I have two.
Two children.
You know
Then get them fat like you.
No.
With this belly, now so you be when you come Nigeria. I better for Nigeria get this belly.
No, I haven't. It's my family type like this.
Oh, now your family, now heritage.
Yes.
Then they inherit the belly.
Yeah, half of my family they have like
Belly?
this, like my
Both
father.
man and woman.
And the half of it like my mother, they are slim. So are two types.
But you fine, no? All your picking be like you.
Yes, I
Now,
order it like
boy, a big girl and boy.
Yeah, the two girls.
The two girls.
Hey, they go
I
find
in the
like
plaza, we
this.
cannot bond boy.
Oh, for plaza, nothing bomb boy.
Yeah.
Why?
You can try.
Okay, since we don't in Nigeria, what be the food where you like where?
Suya is number one.
Suya number one.
Yeah.
You know like
and
plantain?
fufu.
Suya not be food now, not
And
meat
fufu.
now.
No, yes, meat, but food. They have
All those
it's
things
flavor,
inside.
yes.
Onions,
Yes.
cabbage.
Pepper,
No,
everything.
this is the what they do for the
Swallow,
pepper.
swallow, uncle.
No, I like fufu.
You like fufu?
Fufu is what
Yeah.
is
Fufu and
which
what?
kind soup?
I don't know the name of the soup.
Fala, now,
Describe the
fufu
soup. We go
or
tell you the
fufu?
name of the soup,
No,
my brother.
fufu.
Fufu,
Yeah.
fufu, not the fufu.
Yeah.
Fufu, in a bomb, you're a fool, you're a fufu.
No, I don't. Fufu, that white thing where they press like this to
That
chop
they
it.
will make it like
Yo,
this.
my
and chop
brother.
it with
When you chop it, you know.
Yeah.
Which
Yes.
soup they carry chop am?
I don't know what's the name of the
No,
soup.
describe the
but
soup, my
it's-
brother.
it's
He would
mixed
come.
up.
Will tell you the name of the soup. Describe
Okay.
now the soup.
You know, you ate amala.
No.
You never eat amala.
No.
Now, since we don't in Nigeria, you don't get any language where you don't.
I get
soup
the
now,
small
when they chop that
from
fufu with now?
most of the language I get it from Lagos.
Okay,
Yoruba,
which mean
I can
Yoruba.
say. Yeah.
I mean, yes, I mean, if he sings small Yoruba, speak
Yes.
do the Yoruba.
Like the King Wasiu, what he sing.
What's he in there?
Wait, now you get the soundtrack of that.
Hey, wait. Start.
Baby, be show calore.
Hey! No, I want that.
And there is
Ngwanu
another
sing
one.
now, madam.
Fele laye. Fele laye. Fele yo. And I mix it with Arabic. Ya bushewer al-hamra. Fele milik fele yo. Fele yo.
Hey!
Jesus!
Now repeat with that.
If they leave this man 2 more years, he go get the shop for Alaba. He go get the shop for P-Waker. He go get the shop for Ariaria. Nizar!
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks very
Anyway,
much.
our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Now make you begin call us for the topic when we get today on top of the show. Our topic for today now say, if you be man, you go marry woman when he be say, the woman sabi wipe die. but she not get money. Or you go marry the woman who sabi wipe the whole style. Snake and ladder, he sabi am, but he not get money. And if you be woman where they there now, you see one fine guy, handsome, six-pack.
Like Nizar right
like
here.
Like Nizar now with an
here.
amusement park.
Hey.
He dey wipe fire, but he not get money. Or you go marry person when he be say you get money full everywhere, but wipe
he not sabi.
He not sabi.
Anything.
Now Nizar, make I ask you. Say for example now, say you never marry. If girl, you want marry girl, where you want marry now, say the girl no, which one you go choose? Now person wey get money, wey no sabi wipe.
Ask Nizar whether he sabi wetin be the meaning of wipe.
You know what be wipe?
Yes.
You know it now for you. How this guy is a wipeist.
No, he could know because of the way you take talk am again, make I hear.
He no wipe now.
Da! Neru they say, me and IzzyBeat they talk. They wipe. How you know could know?
But now wipe now.
Wipe.
Okay, choose one. Which one? You go like marry girl wey get money where no sabi wipe, or the one wey sabi wipe wey no get money.
The one what sabi wipe.
The one wey sabi wipe.
Of course, man.
Give me reason.
If you don't get money,
because if we get money, I have to take the money and choose another woman.
For outside.
Hey.
So you go rather make she sabi wipe the thing for house.
so make it a house. Yeah. IzzyBeat, which one you go prefer?
IzzyBeat, which one you go choose?
Because you choose what you want. What you have, you will not choose it. You choose what you want. If you want money, you don't have money, you choose money. And after that, you take the money and go for another woman.
Hey! My brother, see mathematics.
See mathematics. You go.
I will pick the one we get money.
But
Wait. Anyway, I will pick the one we get money. But I will teach him how to wipe. I will show him how to wipe.
Hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Oh,
Neru
the relations don't enjoy now.
IzzyBeat na, aka wipeist. My brother, give me five.
My brother say you wipe for a living.
we can open school now.
Wait, what do you go call the school? What do you call the school?
School?
IzzyBeat school of
No,
wiping.
wait.
Domestic school.
Of
Domestic school.
Of
wiping.
Anyway, make we go on top Twitter for Genevieve of Bassi. Okay, no, we could start from the top. And Chris, what are they talk? Chidi Christopher, wipe go put food for table. I beg na money. I go teach him how. Okay, Moku, hey, hello from Wari. Good evening.
Yeah.
The wipeist.
Alpha no.
Hello, the wipeist.
Your 7 children.
Hello, the wipeist.
Maybe I go leave before, say for Valentine.
Yes.
And when the guy postponed election, I Valentine first come out to the beggar thing so.
Oh, your girl come out.
Hello, Nedu.
Your wife, what did you say happen?
No, Valentine, say the guy postponed election, so now Valentine first come out now.
Oh, Valentine vex come out.
So now with the beg since.
Make it come back, Abi.
He don't come back now. He will do series of meetings that period so that they will do Valentine for Nigeria.
So, hello, this wiping matter, which one you go choose?
What did I want to use wiping too now? If the woman get money now, that one dey important pass wiping now.
So, how you could do if you follow money and how you could do with the wiping?
Why you can't do wiping?
It not be say, not the wipe at all now.
It a wipe, why not sabi?
anything.
I don't know the work, so I don't want to take do anything.
You don't want to do anything?
I don't want to use that do anything.
hello, we get
That the money.
Hello. You
That's the truth that they tell you. Let's do wait. Where you for sit down? Your Oyibo na from which place?
Now from Lebanon, no.
Now Oyibo mo put the follow and be na bicycle to the
My brother, no more put the
Hello,
follow.
Dinaba.
Now ain't go kidnap person. Grace from Makodi, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
They fine.
Grace,
you know they sound happy.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I want to ask her one question about what, but I will not. But Grace, make I ask you, if you see one where get 6-pack or amusement park like Nizar where they here now, it won't marry you now. He sabi wipe viciously but not get money. Or the one where get money, he not sabi wipe. Which one you go choose? Yeah.
Grace,
or the one number. Hope all is well. I thought I'm not wiping the cause this thing. Now wipe.
What do you mean?
Don't worry. I will explain to you. Grace, thank you.
I don't try.
And then Upong Emmanuel Kofi talk say me na girl we get money na I go okay me na girl we get money I go like follow. And then Pious Peace talk say Katim you fine. I love your dress. Nedu I love you but not be that kind love. But IzzyBeat na that kind love.
Now woman.
I now send you.
How we know if na woman or man?
And then Peace Pious again. He said, Nedu, I go marry the one where get money. Leave the one where sabi wife because if it kill me with wife.
Now you say you said no sabi wife be that. Because if you sabi wife, you no go kill me.
Wait, you get one story why I remember now. God forgive me for your children. Close your ear. One girl, go meet one guy. When I not vex her, they talk this thing. I'm not supposed to talk this thing. A person tell me. I'm not supposed to talk about but because of this thing, I go talk am. The girl go meet the guy, the one wipe now. So now the first time, now the guy come out the machine gun. I said, come on the machine gun now. Now the guy see him shout, Jesus! The machine gun. Oh God. Now the girl look and say, okay. Ah, you're not a Christian. Where do you want to put it?
She went follow the guy go that side now. What does she be dey expect?
And then Genevieve Obasi say, why I go marry man when no sabi wipe? Now wiping be the cocoa. Money na just addition. But
Hey, my sister.
but
Nothing do you as you talk through today. Oh.
You never finish.
You see what it?
But it is important. Nedu, you understand now? Understand what it? My sister, I know the. Yeah, you know the. Hey!
Ngwalu, send the second part of the tweet. I need to understand this.
Send the second part of the tweet. Good evening. Somebody
you
get line.
understand, Ke?
I don't understand it. From Benin, good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
I did find my sister. How is your ministry?
My ministry they go well.
You like Nizar way there for here?
It will get belly.
You too get belly.
You not go like
What
to
about
rub the
now?
belly?
Is it what about now?
No, I don't want.
So
You are very wicked, Vera.
So Vera.
Yeah.
You need money.
Hello, I don't know. Say easy. They bad like this, so.
Is it bad, Abby?
It too spoil.
So you go follow him?
Hello?
You go follow IzzyBeat?
No, it don't.
Okay, you
It
been
too
think to
spoil.
follow IzzyBeat before?
I dey follow him before, but I know they follow him again. No.
Hey, IzzyBeat, they don't
IzzyBeat, she know what make you kill him. Okay, Vera. For this matter we dey talk, which one you go choose?
Now money,
Wiping, you not send wiping.
No.
Now listen to Vera. Now.
I
She
go
be
teach
your
am. Money, na money be the cocoa.
So if he knows sabi wife, how you go do? How you
If you want wipe, uncle.
Oh, we go teach am anyhow.
No be the same thing.
Hey, you
Yes.
see her life? You see, not be you and the. Oh no, now you go teach the guy how to wipe.
I go teach am, I don't mind.
Now
Take
which
all
of
my
the style
time.
you go teach
So
am?
far
Snake
money
and
dey
ladder this
well.
way. Which of the style you want am?
I do nice.
Hey, you know you don't go. Usman from Abuja. Usman from Sabi wipe. Usman, good evening.
Where you for now?
Yeah, good evening.
Usman, how you there now?
I did fine, though.
I'm not talking anything, no. I thought.
Usman, now I tell you wetin Nedu talk.
Yeah, good evening, Nedu.
Good evening, Usman.
I
Nedu
dey fine,
say
oh.
you go sabi wife. Na true or na lie?
I know. See, all those ones where they talk, you don't, you, hello.
I would hear you.
Oh, but now who's a big wife, oh? You know why? You never see where man for pursue wife because of that thing.
Oh!
They don't marry finish, oh, but he can't divorce his wife. You know they try for bed.
Say she know the try, she knows Sabi wipe.
So you sabi wife be that?
Why not?
I tell you!
Nedu talk about.
I know! By their voice you shall know them.
Nedu say this Usman where they call go sabi wife.
Usman, thank you very much. So which means you go choose wipe him instead of money acquire? Bye, Usman. Anyway, make we go small chicken break for you. When we come back, Ribbon, Rubicon, Ruby.
Oluwa Ribbon, no.
Oluwa Ribbon.
Okay, then Rubicon.
She go down sit down. Then Nizar, I go carry waka make you go face in girls way like amusement park.
In case.
You get girls.
No spoil market.
You get girls.
Run and I'm more easy, oh. Hey, oh yeah. Ah, yeah. Gospel on the beat. Oh yeah, nah, hold it. Hey, started from the streets. I tried to do my thing.